Remember, read and follow all labels and your owner's manuals. Plasma cutting is pretty straightforward, but I still get asked, what do I set the amperage for on the front of the machine? Well, really, it's based on amperage instead of thickness because everybody cuts at a different speed. If I max this machine out, this machine here is rated at 3/8 of an inch, but that's at roughly 10 to 12 inches per minute. To give you an idea what that looks like, this piece is 10 inches. So imagine starting your cut and running through this in 1 minute. So really, you want to set the machine so that your plasma stream goes straight through the piece. And as you're moving along, make sure that the plasma stream doesn't fold back or spit back at you. Because if it does, that means you're either moving too fast or you need to turn your machine's amperage up.